Okay, well, I'm going to now try to start to fit these Kaoko Throttle Lock. As you can see, the grips on these don't have end caps on, so I'm going to have to cut the rub grip off and fit them, so this might be a bit of trial and error. I'll fit the non-throttle side first because that should be the easiest, just fitting the blank end cap. Seems a bit big, and yet it's supposed to be for all Vulcan bikes. I might have to try and get some lubricant and try again. Yes, I had to, it's a bit rough inside the handlebar for a start, so I had to spray some silicone and do a bit of clean and then tap it in. So it's in there pretty tight now. I hope that's not going to be the same or more problems on the throttle side, but I'm probably going to have to see, aren't we? Alright, well, this will be the interesting one over this side. It looks alright on this side now, where the throttle or the end cap is. This is interesting. I'm certainly going to have to take this handlebar grip off. There is no way in hell that that's going to fit in there. Well, fun and games. I'll have to go and get a screwdriver and undo the throttle control and have a look at that throttle. We'll be back. Well, we'll have a look at this. Nothing can ever seem to be simple, can it? Always got to have some problem. Well, it turned out a bit luckier than I thought. The end of the throttle was plastic, so I managed to just break it away, and so now hopefully this will fit. So we'll see now. I'm going to have to clean up that rubber a bit more on the end because it's not letting it go back too freely. So once I do that, hopefully it should be alright. There's a little bit of a gap, doesn't look too great, but if I can clean that rubber up and make it nice and smooth, we should be right. Well, that seems to have fixed it. So if we then, I'll better tighten this back up. So we then wind it on. That stiffens that to wherever we want it. So we put it on wherever we want it. Back it off, it'll stay there. Back that right off, and it will close down. Alright, I'll have to take that for a test, and we'll see how it goes. I don't have the mount set up, so I may not be able to film it, but I'll let you know.